Hello, folks. Today, I'm going to share with you my next super tip on IELTS exam. These super tips are extremely useful, highly effective when it comes to boosting your IELTS score on writing. If you have not watched my previous super tip videos, please go ahead, watch them. Nonetheless, of course, you're here. We can continue sharing our next super tip on IELTS writing. Before I start sharing this tip, let me tell you something very interesting. This super tip is particularly used by best writers of the world. These best writers of the world have written lots of books, stories, novels using this particular tip, and they have been highly successful. So today I'm going to share that secret tip with you, which those best-selling writers have been using to create awesome writing. This technique is amazing, highly effective, yet super simple to use. By using this technique in IELTS writing task, you will appear to examiner as a good writer, and this definitely will boost your IELTS writing score. All right, ready to learn this new super tip? It's all about use of describing words in a sentence. Confused? Let me explain that in a moment. This is called a descriptive feature in writing. So as I said, describing words in a sentence. This is called a descriptive feature. The primary purpose of descriptive writing is to describe a person, a place, or a thing in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. You can describe an event, a place, a situation, a person, or almost anything. Let's take few examples. A plain sentence without describing something will look like this. This cake is tasty. This place is beautiful. The movie was boring. The professor was intelligent. Now I'm going to use some more words, describing words, to explain this a bit more. And this is what we call descriptive writing. And this is the super tip of the day. See how we use it. This cake is tasty and delicious. This place is beautiful and worth visiting. The movie was boring and disappointing. The professor was intelligent and charismatic. So as you can see, we have described cake, place, movie, and professor using some describing words. Practice time. So here you can see 4 sentences. Each sentence has a blank. You need to fill in the blank with the describing word. First sentence goes as, thank you. It was such a creative, and think of a describing word and fill it here. This jacket is soft, and save water for your future generations. It is precious and an dash source. World War II took many precious and dash lives. So what is it? It's all about descriptive writing. It's about use of describing words in a sentence. Share your work in the comments below. So next time, when you start practicing your writing task, paint a picture in your reader's mind. Show them, don't tell them. In my next video, I'll show you how you can use all of these super tips and put them in some kind of building blocks to create impactful, meaningful, highly impressive, rich sentences that will dramatically change your writing style. and this will boost your IELTS writing score. So until that time, take good care of yourself and keep practicing.